Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm going to a city tour, so join me. This is the City Hall direction. At the back, right, is a Old Hill Street police station. Opposite is a Fort Canning Park, man. And then in front we are reaching at the Funan Center, and then there's a Civil Defense Heritage Gallery. Wow, there's a bridge over there as well. So Funan, very futuristic. You can buy lots of computer stuff right here. Make McDonald's, US Pizza. And we've reached the Singapore Civil Defense Gallery. Free entry. Check it out, man. Some looks like a nice hot-pot restaurant. We've arrived at Peninsula Shopping Center. There's lots of Myanmar people here. We like to hang out. Today is Sunday, so especially crowded here. There's a food court in the basement. Look at these, man. The 40 tickets hanging like a laundry. Now you can see the St. Andrew's Cathedral Church from here, and also Raffles City Mall, right? And there's the Peninsula Shopping Center. And the one opposite, right, is the Adelphi Lifestyle Mall. Lots of people sitting there. The front workers, because today is Sunday, they're just relaxing. An insane crowd today. And right here, the National Gallery of Singapore, man. Supreme Court Lane. And you can see the Durian Mall from here, Esplanade. Wow, we also see the Marina Bay Sands from here. Look at that, man. And this area, you can see the Padang from here, And yeah, the NDP is held here. National Day, rehearsal and the parade. Okay, there's a sport recreation center, the club for the NS people. And right here we are approaching the, okay, before that, the first city is on the left side. There's a Swiss Hotel, the Stanford Hotel as well. We are approaching the Civilian War Memorial. Right in front to commemorate the end of the war, as well as to respect those who passed away during the Second World War of Singapore, man. So right here we are at the War Memorial. The war is over but this is like a respect to them. Chinese, the World War 1942 to 1945, and this one is in Malay, Oh man, this is actually 61 meters tall. There are 4 columns, symbolize the shared wartime experience and unity of the 4 main places in Singapore. 高61米，4根上窄下宽的长柱组成，代表新加坡4大种族。It's over here, man. Wow. 1967. They have English, Chinese, Malay, and the Tamil, the 4 languages. Oh, that crazy, that insane looking, the beautiful looking structure over there is called the South Beach, kind of mall and a retail space. And there's a JW Marriott Hotel right here, man. And I believe we are quite near to Marina Square also, the mall. Now, Marina Square is just in front, and the Singapore Flyer. Holding a duck tour, man. That vehicle. Now, there's also a Park Royal 5-star hotel, as well as a Hua International School, man. And we have arrived at Suntec City. If you enjoyed the walking tour, please give a like, share, and subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I'm officially inside Suntec City. There's some kind of cosplay event today, as well as Go Malaysia Travel Fair. I'm here to check it out, man. So just come here, man. Suntec City, near MRT Esplanade. So yeah, take care, everyone. See you guys in the next video, and Jai Mata Ne.